Okay, so we're going to do the muscles of the arm. Over here you have your subscapularis. Here's your teres major. On the other side you can also see your teres major, so you can see that from both sides. Number 4 is your teres minor. Over here you have your infraspinatus. Underneath here you have your supraspinatus. So then up top here you have your triceps. Number 10 is your brachialis. And number 9 is your biceps brachii. Number 20, which goes from the brachialis into your brachioradialis. So no, they're on the same side. So this is your brachioradialis. Then number 19, you have your extensor carpi radialis longus.
And point to that one more time, I'm sorry.
Extensor carpi radialis longus. And you have your extensor carpi radialis brevis. And that's number 18. Okay. Number 17, you have your extensor digitorum. Number 16 is your extensor carpi ulnaris. Number 15 is your flexor carpi ulnaris. Then number 14, you have your palmaris longus. It inserts into the palm and it's a long muscle. So palmaris longus. Then number 13, you have your flexor carpi radialis. And number 12 down here is your pronator teres. So now, as we start to take the muscles off from the flexor side, underneath, you have your flexor digitorum superficialis. You can see it through the palmaris longus. Okay? So this is your flexor digitorum superficialis, number 24. And as you go deeper, we have your flexor digitorum profundus and your flexor pollicis longus, which is always closer to the thumb. So it's your flexor pollicis longus. And it also goes into your flexor pollicis brevis. I don't know if we need to know that one though, but just so you know. And so we'll come around to the extensor side. And number 25 is your supinator.
And what muscle did you just remove?
I took off where the pronator teres. No, it wasn't the pronator.
She just removed the brachioradialis, and right underneath it is the supinator.
Thanks.
And point to the supinator one more time, I'm sorry.
25.
Perfect.
There you go. Oh, wait.
And then, did we get all the muscles of the
Okay,
thumb?
we needed to do the ones up front. Okay, so we have our abductor pollicis longus is number 23. Goes into your abductor pollicis brevis on the side. Can't really see it on this model, or at least I don't know where it is. Then you have your extensor pollicis brevis is number 22. And right above that, I guess where 21 would be your extensor pollicis longus. So I think it goes longus, brevis, longus.
And we can't see it on this model, but there is a model where you can see that longus.
You can see the abductor pollicis longus, and you can see the extensor pollicis longus. And in between is the extensor pollicis brevis. So this is the only model you can see that on.
And then what about the thumb? And there are 3 muscles we have to know right around here.
I know we need to know the abductor pollicis longus and the flexor pollicis brevis. And I think that's all we need to know. I don't think we need to know if it is the adductor pollicis brevis, but I'm not sure. So.
And then quadratus.
Pronator quadratus
yes.
is in here.
Perfect. That's it.